Good afternoon, students. Welcome to online lecture. So this is the today's online lecture. Previous two lectures, all of you studied about the uh, general information about the syllabus of BSc second year for the current year of paper 6th, paper 7 for BSc third year semester, and skill enhancement course first for the BSc third semester. Now I would like to share some information regarding the additional information regarding the same syllabus but the marking system of this year. So let's start the video. This video is very short. For just I would like to share for your information only. So the paper. See the semester third for this year. Theory paper 6th, dairy animal management, and the paper number 7th, technology of milk indigenous product. Also these two theory papers you also studied with one skill enhancement course first. The title of skill enhancement course is routine management practices in dairy farm animals or farming, poultry farming. So the weightage of about two theory paper is 40 marks at evaluation at the end of semester end examination, plus 10 marks for internal examination as when you submit their assignment. So total marks for both the paper is 50. And now see the skill enhancement course first. The evaluation of internal examination, that is 15 marks for seminar and 10 marks for two internal tests. Each internal test carried 5 marks. So these 10 marks plus 15 marks equal to 25 marks for this semester is under the continuous assessment. You remember that the total marks of skill enhancement course is 25 under the continuous assessment for BSc second year third semester. So these are the two theory paper plus one skill enhancement course paper for third semester. Now let's see the fourth semester. Same pattern, but the theory paper is here change. Paper title and paper numbers are: theory paper number is 8, title is sheep, goat, pig and poultry farming, and the paper number 9, title is technology of western dairy products. The evaluation for marking at the semester end examination is for theory 40 marks and 10 marks for internal in terms of your submission of assignment. The total marks for both the paper is 50. See the second skill enhancement course of BSc second year semester 4th. The title of the skill enhancement course second is dairy byproducts or special milk. Anyone you can choose. So I will suggest or I will advise you to choose dairy byproduct, and I will also provide the information and as well as the notes about for this course. See the marking system of as per same the previous semester: 15 mark for semester seminar, and 15 marks for seminar and 10 marks for two internal test. Each internal test carry 5 marks. So 15 plus 10 also equal to 25. So previous semester skill enhancement course first 25 marks, fourth semester skill enhancement course 2 25 marks. All these both the papers 25 marks are under the continuous assessment. So remember that the continuous assessment containing 25 plus 25 50 marks. So now let's the overall marks at the final examination. See the annual practical examination conducted by the SRDMU in the summer 2021. Whenever the practical examination is conducted by the university, the following paper wise marking system as well as the conduction details. See the serial number 1. Last year, that is first year, you are studied one practical paper, but now in this year you can study two papers for the practicals. See the serial number 1 practical paper 10, which is based on the theory paper 6 and theory paper 8, and serial number 2 practical paper 11, which is based on the theory paper 7 and theory paper 9. Marks for the practical end semester, at the end of examination, the total practical marks were 40 both the paper, and both the paper internal marks was 10. So in this 10 marks include your record book and your viva. So total 50 marks for 10 number paper and 50 marks for 11 number paper. Now see the skill enhancement course first. Skill enhancement course first, BSc third semester, and skill enhancement course second semester fourth. Both the papers you already studied in the third semester as well as fourth semester. See, the combined exam will be conducted by the university with your both practical paper, that is 10 number and 11 number. So when the practical examination is conducted by SRTBU, your practical exam is for 10 number paper, your practical paper exam is for 11 number paper, and skill enhancement course 1, skill enhancement course 2. All these 4 papers are conducted in a day. And what is the marking system? See, the marking system is final examination with practical examination is 10 mark for your record for course 1 and course 2. Both the records you have to maintain at the end of practical examination. 10 marks overall judgment. Under this overall judgment, I will give you the one question at the end semester examination for 10 marks and 5 marks for vivos on the basis of their SCC report, which is already you prepared on these 2 courses. So both the papers carry 25 marks. See, the 25 marks for third semester paper 1 and 25 marks for fourth semester course number 2. So under these all, both the 25 marks are covered under the end semester examination. Understand and remember that previously you take the 25 marks for this course under the continuous assessment. This is also continuous assessment. So this continuous assessment 25 marks, this continuous assessment 25 marks 50, and both paper 25 50 under the end semester examination. So these 50 and previous 25 50 is total 100 marks evaluation for the 2 courses of skill enhancement course. So I hope all of you are understand for the practical paper as well as theory paper and skill enhancement course content and their practical as well as the marking system, internal and final examination, continuous assessment as well as the end semester examination marking. If any doubts, any question, you can also talk to me directly on my mobile number or send your SMS or messages in our WhatsApp group. Thank you all the students for watching this video carefully. Goodbye.